Greetings! Today we will learn how to access and use files located in the app code folder using ASP.NET C#. The app code is a special folder. Class files are added as content files to the app code folder and are compiled at runtime. But to use class files in code, these must be compiled first. To add an app code folder to your project, right-click on your project. Point over to Add ASP.NET Folder. Select App Code. Create a class in the app code folder. Create another class in the project. Now, by using the app code folder, the Visual Studio throws errors. Or instantiating a class located in the app code folder, the Visual Studio does not allow. Go to the app code folder. Right-click the file and select Properties. Change Build Action to Compile. After saving the file, the error has gone. If required, clean and rebuild your application. Close and reopen the affected files in Visual Studio.